A student punished for having a pocket knife in his car at school.
Sure, you could use it as a weapon, but it's also primarily a tool. Brian Duffy has the developing details in Ashtabula County.
That's right. We're in Ashtabula County outside the courthouse here in Jefferson, and this courthouse is going to play a pivotal role in the future of Jordan Weiser. He's a high school student here, and he had his whole life mapped out. That was until he has been faced with a felony gun charge that may change all those plans. Jordan Weiser had big dreams. He's already joined the Army, set for Fort Benning in August. But those military plans are on hold now. He's been charged with a felony and spent 13 days in jail after what he says was a pocket knife was found in his car at his school, Ashtabula County Tech. If convicted,
it would ruin my entire life, and that's not what I want, because I've been in the public service field since I was 14 years old. You know, I've always wanted to be a firefighter. I've always wanted to be in the military. I planned on becoming a police officer.
Weiser's plan after 6 years in the Army was for a career as a cop or a firefighter. He says the pocket knife was for his work as a certified health care provider. He was studying to be an EMT before he was kicked out of school. And he says he has volunteered with the Sheffield Township Department. He always carries a pocket knife.
Maybe some misjudgment, but that's something that I've used in my EMS work for, since I started firefighting when I was 14. I was going to school for firefighting, and I've never met a firefighter that hasn't carried a pocket knife, and I always use one.
Weiser, if convicted of a felony, can't enter the Army or work as a cop or a firefighter. Harold Speck, the chief assistant prosecutor of Ashtabula County, told me, quote, the school ATEC has a zero-tolerance policy for weapons on school grounds, and the prosecutor's office adheres to that policy. And look, the prosecutor's office has a very important, very difficult job to do. They have to keep the public safe. As far as Jordan Weiser, well, he was looking forward to a bright future. It will be in a jury's hands here in June. In Ashtabula County, I'm Brian Duffy, 19 Action News.